So what's been going on this morning?
So I serviced the home generator. So I changed the oil and cleaned the air filter. I got the wheels off the air conditioner in the truck so it won't go rolling around on us anymore. Like
Very good. Yeah, that was a problem.
And I went out to the trees. A lot of them, it's a lucky thing we came home, they weren't dripping anymore, the things. So I had got them all dripping a lot faster this time. And then I was working on installing the little lights in the truck like we always have. So
okay, in the sleeper berth.
Yeah. And of course I got our Garmin that we've had for, I don't remember how many years ago we bought it.
We bought it.
It's brand new, but I've got it all updated now, and so it's ready to go.
All right.
So
1 day later.
All right. I have the best husband in the world. So I normally wake up and eat yogurt with a little bit of cereal in it. And then I also always need some caffeine in the morning. So I woke up. I have no idea where Milkman is. And I have a class, a Hebrew class right now. So I don't have time to be making food or going out and, looking for Milkman or looking for the food or anything. So I just woke up and I looked in the refrigerator here in the house, and what was in there but one Yoplait and one Dr. Pepper, because I have the best husband in the world. Yeah, what's going on?
the starter shot.
Where do you want me to stand and listen?
I want you to stand out so that it could be, so the noise could be picked up. All right. We are so lucky. We pushed it to the maximum. It needs a new starter. It doesn't need brushes. It needs a new starter.
I agree.
Yeah.
I agree.
Without a doubt.
So what's going on over here?
Just the oil change on the APU.
All right, this is our APU.
Put it under into light. Already. There we go.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
You've got to put it in and out, like almost upside down.
Yeah. Why is it not coming out? There we go. It's tight in there.
How often do you change the oil?
Good question. I don't know when the oil starts looking bad. I change it. It's
So even though you don't pre-fill it, you still, like you say, you rub the oil on the gasket.
Always have to put oil on the gasket because it'll weld itself on there. See that? I had hand tightened this one, and then I just got it so it's tight, but they've got weird
What are you talking about?
they've got weird gaskets for the oil plug here. So if you don't put
A fresh gasket.
if you don't put another one of these in, it's like a compression thing, and it'll leak. which I found out the hard way. And then what a mess. So always take the
old gasket off
old
and
gasket
put
off.
a new gasket.
And put a new one on. And that's it. And then it's...
So how much? It takes 1 gallon?
You know, honestly, I don't remember. It's a gallon and a half. I'll just have to wait until I There's none on there right now.
Right.
So. I thought it was a gallon and a half, but I don't know. I mean, the APUs are great for, you know, like what we were doing when we were up there in Oregon for charging the batteries.
Right.
That's where we're using this stuff. I mean, they're really neat for that. And, I mean, they're neat for everything except trying to use the air conditioning in the daytime. Don't even think about it out in Arizona and stuff. I mean, there's no way.
How much oil does the engine for the truck take?
11 gallons. Oh.
There you
yeah.
go.
So
All
it's
right.
full. So that's it. So that was like a gallon and a half.
All right.
So there we are. So that's it.
All right. So we're trying to figure out just exactly how far in advance we need to leave. So I don't remember where exactly we're going. So I'm still just going to put in Grand Prairie. Oh, look, it's got a new look to it. A new location, city center, right? I'm just going to put in Grand Prairie. Oh, it would be nice if it would let me. Why won't it let me? Okay, well, let's put in Dallas, since Dallas is close enough to Grand Prairie. I don't know why it wouldn't let me. I'm going to say I'm loaded, of course, because I am loaded. No routes found. This is going well so far. My plan B is that I'm going to use Gmail. So here we are going to Grand Prairie. If I say that I'm going to Grand Prairie from my location, if we see it wants us to go across I-80 down through some really bad roads all the way. Down here in, it looks like Albuquerque is where we're going to hit up with I-40 across to Amarillo and then down the 287. I don't want to do all this stuff through Utah and Colorado and New Mexico. I mean, that's a mess, and it's not going to be any better going across Wyoming. So I don't want to do that either. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell it that instead of going from I'm still going to Grand Prairie. I'm going to go from Kingman, Arizona. And that's going to be 1,107 miles. And then I say, let's go to Kingman. From my location. And that's 600 miles. So from here, it's going to be 1,700 miles. So basically, 1,800 miles would be 3 full shifts. We're supposed to be there by 10 o'clock in the morning. We like to get there an hour early, so that's 9 o'clock. That's going to be Dallas time. And so that's going to be 7 o'clock our time. Milkman said he wanted to leave by 6. I mean, yeah, he's right. We could leave by 6, but I think we should leave a little bit earlier. I'm thinking we should leave by 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So that's how we figure it out. That's how we figure out when we need to leave home. We figure out how many miles it is, specifically the direction that we want to go. And then we work out the miles. We usually do it by how many shifts it is, or sometimes we'll just say it's a 50-mile-an-hour average. A 50-mile-an-hour average over a long period of time is a general rule of thumb. And so it's always good to leave a little extra wiggle room. So Milkman is leaving like an hour of wiggle room. I'm not 100% sure that's enough. I would prefer to leave a couple more hours for going 3 full shifts. So we're just getting ready to go now. We only have a couple extra hours, and Milkman all of a sudden says we have a busted taillight.
Totally busted out. It's totally gone.
Does it work?
I'm sure it doesn't.
How can you be so sure?
Let me turn it on. I mean, it looks like the whole thing's busted out.
Yeah, it works. It works.
Okay.
So we just need some of that red cellophane tape. Right? And in fact, we don't even need red cellophane tape because the light is red.
Oh, the light's red?
The light's red.
Oh, wow.
So it's packing tape. It's clear. This little, the 3 LEDs in there, they're red.
Oh.
They light up red. I mean, where did we stop? We didn't stop anywhere. We stopped at the Loves and got gasoline. Yeah. You can fix it. Do you need my help?
What am I gonna need for tape?
Packing tape. It's clear.
Okay, can you get me some packing tape?
Okay. There we go. This stuff. How big do you want it?
I don't know. I need to just get. So I need tiny. Here, hold that.
So it doesn't look great. All right, all taped up. Crisis averted. All right, leaving home. It's 3:45. I've done my pre-trip. Let's see if I can get my good glasses on. Uh-oh. We think we've got everything taken care of and under control. And so we are out of here. Updated both of our trucker GPS systems, and they don't update on their own. They don't connect really to the internet on their own until we tell it please update. It won't update, and then it takes a long time, and it takes a lot of bandwidth, and so we don't like to do it on the road. So we did it. We updated both of them. We have a Rand McNally and we have a Garmin. We use the Rand McNally because it also has it has the Sirius XM built in. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? There's a car coming around us.
That's
Well done.
That's those people that live on that road.
They gotta freaking learn some freaking manners.
Yeah.
Anyway, what was I saying? Oh, anyway, so yeah. So Milkman updated both of them, but then he only brought the Rand McNally. He didn't bring the Garmin. He updated the Garmin, but didn't bring it because there just really is not a lot of room in here. And now I'm trying to enter the address, and when I go to enter any information as to where I'm trying to go, it tells me it's got the keyboard grayed out, so I can't enter any actual information. Okay, we are now doing our last minute grocery shopping at the world's smallest Safeway. The store is small, the carts are small, everything's small, but it does the trick.
I don't like Bonafide. It's not because of the town or anything else. It's because of the clown motel. The clown motel scares me because I hate clowns.
Yep, there's a clown motel. It's all clown themed. You can see it from the outside. If you're afraid of clowns, that is not the place for you. Alright, here we've got a brothel. That white building over there. What's the name of it? I can't remember. Oh, the Wildcat. I know the rest of the country thinks it's weird that we have brothels that are, just out in the open. But that's Nevada for ya. made it to Terrible's in Indian Springs, Nevada. Milkman is going to be taking over from here, and I'm going to be going to sleep, hopefully, really soon. Thanks for coming along for the ride. We will catch you next time.